What's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be about how to change your oil on your 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm pretty sure a couple other years could work as well. First of all, you want to get your car up in stands or a ramp. Alright guys, now that you're under the car, you can see the oil filters right in the middle. Very convenient, easy to get off. And then if you scoot back, you've got your oil pan and you've got your oil pan drain plug. Now for this, you're gonna need a size 17 millimeter socket. Thing out of the way, 17 socket. And that's it. All right, I loosened her up. Now it's time to drain it. What I want to see if this oil is going to hit right here in this frame. Alright, it took too long. Let's see. And that's some hot oil. Now let's get her, let her drain out real quick. Alright, so after you let it drain out, you want to tighten it back up. Alright, next thing to do is get the oil filter off. With this, all you have to do is, if it's not too tight, take it off with your hand. I feel like it's not as tight. Yeah, I can do it by hand. If not, you can easily get a wrench in here, oil filter wrench. Same thing, let this drain out. And just remove it completely and get the new one back on. Alright, to fill her up, I want to open this up right here. Just twist it off. Put 5 quarts of oil in there. 5 quarts, the whole jug. And then when you're done, you can use that same jug to try to put as much of the oil back in there. Looks like I had only 4 quarts in there. But like I said, I just got this car, so gotta use the best. To me, with this mileage that I have and the heat that we're in Texas, yeah, I need the best, so that's what I use. But if you have any questions, let me know.